Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. The Roto Chopper B66T 950 horsepower mill is a powerhouse in the world of wood processing, revolutionizing the way biomass fuel is produced. This cutting-edge machine sets itself apart with its unparalleled efficiency and unique perfect in one pass feature, ensuring optimal control over the final product. At the heart of the B66T is its robust 950 horsepower mill, a true workhorse that crushes wood into high-quality biomass fuel. The operation process of the B66T is a marvel of engineering, seamlessly transforming raw materials into a refined product with precision and speed. What truly distinguishes the B66T from its counterparts is its commitment to delivering perfection in every pass. Unlike other blenders in its class, the B66T ensures that the finished product meets exact specifications in terms of fiber size, texture, and even color. This innovative approach not only enhances productivity, but also guarantees a level of quality that is unparalleled in the industry. The B66T's capability to achieve perfect in one-pass control is a game-changer for businesses relying on wood processing for biomass fuel production. The machine's design and functionality provide operators with the assurance that the end product will consistently meet the desired standards, saving time and resources in the process. In conclusion, the Roto Chopper B66T 950 horsepower mill is a technological marvel, seamlessly blending power, efficiency, and precision in the wood processing industry. With its unique perfect in one pass feature, this machine is not just a tool for high productivity, it's a guarantee of superior control over the final biomass fuel product, ensuring that every aspect, from fiber size to color, aligns with the specific requirements of the operation.
The Bandit Intimidator 2021 12XP 120 horsepower is a powerful and versatile wood chipper designed to handle a wide range of materials, from branches and trunks to leaves, with remarkable efficiency. This robust machine is equipped with cutting-edge features that make it a standout performer in the field of wood chipping. At the heart of the Bandit Intimidator 12XP is its formidable 120 horsepower Caterpillar engine, providing the machine with an impressive level of power to effortlessly tackle various wood materials. The engine's reliability ensures consistent performance, making it a reliable choice for both professional arborists and forestry operations. The chipper's feeding system is designed for optimal efficiency. It boasts a large hopper that can accommodate branches and trunks of varying sizes. The Intimidator's feed system is engineered to handle materials with ease, pulling them into the cutting chamber for processing. The self-feeding mechanism minimizes the need for manual intervention, allowing operators to maintain a steady workflow. The cutting mechanism of the Bandit Intimidator is a marvel in itself. Equipped with a razor-sharp, high-speed disc, the machine effortlessly transforms branches and trunks into uniform wood chips. The adjustable settings allow operators to customize the chip size according to specific requirements, providing flexibility for different applications. One of the standout features of the Intimidator is its ability to handle leaves efficiently. With a well-designed chute and airflow system, the machine effectively processes and disposes of leaves, contributing to a cleaner and more organized work environment. This versatility makes it a go-to choice for operations dealing with both branches and foliage. Durability is a key focus in the Bandit Intimidator's design. The robust construction and quality materials ensure that the machine can withstand the rigors of demanding work environments. This durability not only extends the machine's lifespan, but also enhances its overall reliability in day-to-day operations. In conclusion, the Bandit Intimidator 2021 12XP 120 horsepower stands out as a powerhouse in the wood chipping industry. Its efficient operation, versatility in handling various materials, and durability make it a top choice for professionals seeking a high-performance wood chipper, whether processing branches, trunks, or leaves. The Intimidator delivers deliciously efficient results, showcasing its prowess in the field of wood chipping technology.
The Comptech Chipo 8010C stands as an engineering marvel in the realm of wood processing, driven by the formidable CAT 780 HP engine. This powerhouse of a machine seamlessly transforms wooden tree trunks into a delectable assortment of processed wood chips, embodying efficiency and precision. The heart of the operation lies within the robust CAT 780 HP engine, a technological powerhouse designed to propel the Chipo 8010C into a league of its own. With a purring hum, the engine kicks into action, commanding the massive blades and intricate machinery within the 8010C. Its 780 horsepower ensures a relentless and efficient processing capability, turning each task into a swift accomplishment. The 8010C's true prowess emerges when faced with wooden tree trunks. As if possessed by an insatiable appetite, the machine devours the trunks with finesse, effortlessly breaking them down into perfectly sized wood chips. The precision of the cutting mechanism ensures a uniform output, contributing to the overall quality of the processed wood. What sets the 8010C apart is not only its raw power, but its ability to execute the task with a touch of finesse. The machine's operational design, coupled with advanced technology, allows for a harmonious blend of power and precision. Wooden tree trunks, once formidable in their natural state, succumb to the 8010C's prowess, emerging on the other side as neatly processed wood chips. The Comptech Chipo 8010C, driven by the CAT 780 HP engine, stands as a testament to innovation in wood processing. With a symphony of power and precision, this chopping machine ensures that every wooden tree trunk is not just processed but transformed into a deliciously uniform array of wood chips, making it a formidable force in the world of wood processing machinery.
The might of the 550 HP wood shredder unleashed. In the heart of the timber industry, where raw wood transforms into valuable resources, the 550 HP wood shredder stands tall as a powerhouse of efficiency. This formidable machine, boasting 550 horsepower, is a marvel of engineering designed to shred wood into pieces with unparalleled speed and precision. As it roars to life, the symphony of machinery echoes through the air, signaling the beginning of a process that transforms wooden tree trunks into valuable materials. At the core of this wood-shredding behemoth lies a 550 horsepower engine, the heartbeat that propels the entire operation. This immense power is harnessed to devour wooden tree trunks, turning them into bite-sized pieces that are not only efficient for further processing but also a testament to the relentless force of modern industrial machinery. The 550 HP wood shredder operates with a seamless blend of power and efficiency. As logs are fed into the machine, they encounter razor-sharp blades that make quick work of the sturdy wood. The efficiency of this process ensures that no part of the tree trunk goes to waste, with the shredded pieces becoming valuable raw material for various industries. While the term delicious might seem unusual when describing the processing of wood, it aptly captures the satisfaction of seeing a once mighty tree trunk transformed into a valuable resource. The 550 HP wood shredder devours the wood with a voracious appetite, creating a spectacle that leaves observers in awe of the machine's capability to turn nature's giants into manageable components. One of the most remarkable aspects of the 550 HP wood shredder is its ability to shred wood with precision. The blades are finely tuned to create uniform pieces, ensuring that the shredded material meets the specifications required by downstream processes. This precision not only enhances the overall efficiency of the operation, but also contributes to the quality of the end product. In the age of sustainability, the 550 HP wood shredder is not just a symbol of power, but also a responsible player in the industrial landscape. With advanced features such as energy-efficient motors and optimized shredding techniques, this machine minimizes its environmental footprint. The remnants of shredded wood can be repurposed for various applications, reducing waste and contributing to a circular economy. Beyond its primary function of shredding wood, the 550 HP machine demonstrates remarkable versatility. Whether it's processing logs for paper production, creating biomass for energy generation, or producing raw material for furniture manufacturing, this wood shredder adapts to various needs within the forestry and wood processing industries. The 550 HP wood shredder stands as a testament to the evolution of industrial machinery, showcasing the marriage of power and precision. As it roars to life, devouring wooden tree trunks and transforming them into valuable resources, it not only symbolizes progress in the timber industry, but also highlights the importance of responsible and efficient wood processing. In a world where sustainability is paramount, the 550 HP wood shredder emerges as a powerhouse that not only meets the demands of modern industry, but does so with an eye toward a greener and more efficient future. Thank you for exploring wood crusher equipment and technology with us. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content.